All right, I have been dying to tell you guys about my weekend. I can't believe I've held back this long.
Wow, we're almost done with the show.
I know. I was kind of wanting to save it.
What did you do?
Well, many shenanigans, as you know, because
Sure.
it was the weekend. But the highlight went paddle boarding.
Oh, I saw your pictures.
Yes,
Looks so
off
good.
of Saco, and we saw a bunch of seals.
Oh my goodness.
And we saw a mom and baby dolphin.
Is that what that was?
Several times, either porpoises or dolphins. I
Okay.
don't know. We looked it up, and both
hard to tell.
exist.
Yeah.
So we couldn't tell, but it doesn't matter, right?
Right.
There were 5 of us on our paddle boards. They were circling
Oh my
us.
goodness.
They came up behind me
Wow.
right after I stood up. This is the first time I've ever paddleboarded in the ocean.
Yeah, open
Right
ocean,
after
right.
I stood
Yeah.
up, they came right up behind me, and I could hear them blowing the
Oh my
air. And the
gosh.
other girls were
Did
like,
it scare you at first?
It startled
It's
me a little bit,
startling,
but
right?
you may
Yeah.
know the worst thing you can do on a paddleboard is turn around.
Oh,
That
yeah.
totally throws
Because
off
they-
your balance.
yes.
Oh my gosh.
So I'm like trying to turn it around so I can see them, but they stayed around us for a really long time. A mom and
What
baby.
an amazing experience.
I was about to say, you don't get that often. Yeah.
Amazing.
Oh,
Very
so
amazing.
cool.
Yeah.
And it was surprisingly very flat for
The
you. You were in
ocean was
Saco
like
Bay.
glass. Yes.
Yeah, I mean
Wow.
it was. I mean your video that you had on
perfect
your
day.
Instagram
Yeah.
looked incredible.
Beautiful.
So something to do. You
Yeah.
checked it off your bucket list probably.
I want to
And now
continue.
you're.
I'm going in search of a paddleboard today. I
Oh,
want my own.
are
I was
you?
borrowing a friend's. I
You're
want
hooked.
my own. Yep.
You're hooked.
Yep.
Nice. Well, yesterday was a summery day, right? I mean, our temperatures got up close to 80 degrees, and it was the first time in a really long time that it felt that warm. We hadn't been above 70 since June 2nd, so it had been 10 days of highs in the 60s or in some cases lower 50s. So yesterday was a treat. We deserved it, and we get it again today. So enjoy it. Our temperatures this morning are very comfortable. All of us are pretty much in the 50s now, except Holton, 48. But the sun is up, and they're going to rise pretty quickly in all spots. We're still waiting on some more rain, though. This arrives later tonight and tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's going to include some downpours, and it's going to give us another crummy Tuesday with no sunshine and chilly numbers. Hazy/filtered sun. There's some wildfire smoke up there. As I just mentioned a few minutes ago, though, it's not going to be as bad as last week here in Maine, which we didn't know because we didn't see much sun, but also to our south in some of those bigger cities which had the terrible air quality. It's already starting to improve. We'll have midday sunshine with a little bit of that smoke. Temperatures spike up to those summery levels again, but I don't expect really any rain. I know this model's trying to spit some out. If we got something, it would be like a quick shower over some of the mountaintops or hilltops. But it is going to be a warm afternoon and a somewhat sticky one, too, with humidity levels on the rise. We'll hit about 70 or low to mid 70s along the coast. Portland 74, Bar Harbor 72, but 10 degrees warmer inland. Bangor, one of the warm spots, along with Millinocket, Calais, and Caribou, topping out at about 83 degrees. Tomorrow, low pressure moving through the northeast will focus some showers and downpours on us, so some of that rain will be heavy. And even though this moves out on Wednesday, a trough replaces it. We had one of these all last week, which gave us that unsettled weather. The good news is this week's trough will not be as strong, and it will also be a milder one. So our temperatures will be a lot warmer, and we'll have the opportunity and have some more success at hitting 70 on a daily basis. But we'll have that daily shower or storm threat after tomorrow. Here's the timeline for tomorrow's rain. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Some showers and downpours start to move in for the commute. They'll be moving through the morning and midday through eastern and northern areas. A lot of tomorrow afternoon is rain-free, but it's not like it's getting sunny or warm. It's going to stay around 60 or lower 60s and kind of damp out there too. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, south wind 5 to 10 knots. Partly sunny today with a high of close to 80 inland, lower 70s along the coast. Tomorrow's that rainy one. Most of the rain falls in the morning, highs in the 60s. Wednesday and Thursday, they're okay. There may be a brief shower or two with a high close to 70. And then Friday and Saturday, there'll be sun on both days, but afternoons could feature a shower or storm, isolated to scattered, which means not everyone's getting one. Highs start to warm up over the weekend, and Father's Day, a mix of sun and clouds. Mid, maybe some upper 70s. Much more summer-like this week than last.
All right, we're getting there.
Getting there.
Yeah.